DJI stuff is extremely expensive, but then they're really, really good. I love DJI mics, and here's one that I have right now on me. So what you're hearing right now is the DJI mic. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys around. Let's open this up. Even in the packaging, we have a lot of protection here. So some silica gel. We have the windscreen here. Looks like every ounce of air was sucked out of this thing. We have a book with how to use this and all the other information in here. Stickers, I love stickers for sure. And we have the mic itself. Now this is what it looks like. It's actually beautiful. I freaking love this thing, and I love using this all the time. It seems like something's loose inside. I'm not sure if... My old one doesn't make that noise, but it looks like something is probably loose inside. It definitely seems a little bit different because you guys see the opacity of the writing here. The newer one is a little more faded, and the older one actually is not as faded as the newer one, which is pretty odd. Obviously over time they can change things around, but still that noise inside, I feel like there's probably a screw loose or something like that. Or is it just a button? It's just a button actually. That is crazy. It doesn't make the noise when it's on. I can hear the same noise on the older one too, but it's only when it's turned off. But when it's on, you don't hear anything. It gets a little tighter and you don't hear anything at all. So what you're hearing right now is going to be the mic. This is my old one. This is what it sounds like without the windscreen obviously, but there's no wind here. But I'm gonna still put it on to show you guys what it sounds like. The windscreen is on right now, and this is what it sounds like. I don't know if you guys can hear any difference because the room is pretty quiet here. Nothing going on around me. So what do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.